Raindrops dancing on the leaves, oh what a sight. They twirl and spin in the warm sunlight. Puddles form like little mirrors reflecting the sky. Nature's laughter echoes as the clouds